All right, good morning. Day 5. Just getting the day started here and packed up. Got a little wet last night from the condensation. And first thing I see on the trail, some old ruins right by the lake here. I think that's probably maybe like an old cabin. Looks like old cabin because there's a lot of tall pine trees coming out of it. But anyway, just getting, like I said, getting going on November 3rd. Heading uphill this morning and go make some miles, warm up. Check out this nice little ravine I just came across. I'm walking down along the other side of it now. This one's more in the fall. Really nice little ravine. I think I'm going up on that far ridge over there here in a little bit. Not sure. So an hour in, just shy of 3 miles, which is a lot better than I've been doing the last couple mornings. So the trail is super cruisy, which is nice. I only think I walked through like maybe 5 blowdowns, but they cut all the limbs off, so all you have to do is step under them or over them. So that was awesome. But yeah, it's just nice pine forest right now. The Talladega National Forest, coming up to a highway here shortly. I'll be crossing and then heading up to Talladega Bridge, going over the Talladega Creek, and so that'll be, I think, in 3.5 miles. Stop and probably eat a little breakfast. Okay, just came out of the woods there, and now I am at Porter's Gap and the Talladega National Forest. So still heading northbound. Our first view of the morning this morning. About 4.5 miles in. Beautiful day. So coming up on the trail, here's this huge rock. I think we're gonna get a view when we climb on top of it here in a second. How cool is that? Like, great little place to hide out from the weather right there. Let's see. Let's see what the view's like as we get up here. Yep, amazing views. Just gorgeous. I think we're gonna walk the top of the ridge here for a while. Off the mountain, out of the forest. Now I just got a short road walk across these tracks, across the Talladega Creek, and then I think I go up that mountain over there. Okay, I just had to show you this. The sight for sore eyes. Yep, poor potty. Just along the road here at they're doing railroad construction. Sweet. The Talladega Bridge, going over Talladega Creek, and I'm gonna go down and get some water down there. Oh, look at that. Some rapids down there. That's beautiful. This side's a little bit harder to see, but oh, it's as clear as can be. That looks awesome. Okay, walking along the trail, and this is the first sign I've seen for the Pinhoti 100. That's what the blue flags are for. What it is, it's a 100-mile race, like it says in the picture, and it's supposed to be this coming weekend. So they're clearing a lot of the trail trying to get ready for that because it's a big 100-miler. So I've been walking uphill for like the last 2 miles, and it's like 65 degrees, so I'm actually sweating today. Okay, well, came to a rock section. So this is what's best for you, Joe. It's just gonna be rock walking, and so it's obviously not going real fast because they're all small and they all move. This rocky section of the trail is not fun. About 1.5 miles on it, it's still going. So it comes and goes a little bit now, but yeah, it's still here. Well, I finally think I got past the rocks. After 2 miles of walking on that slow going. And every rock moved. So you'd be ready for that. So that was not fun. I was looking in Gut Hook, a lot of people that have hiked the AT were saying just as bad, if not worse, than Pennsylvania. That little section there. So, because at least normally you get like big rocks, but these are just big enough you have to step on them and they move. So this is the first view I've had in quite a while today. And not even at the top. There's the top. Just cutting through. Keep making. Adams Gap, 6 miles. And shout out to whoever left us a brand new jug of water. So that was pretty awesome. I was the first one to get to open it. So sweet. Up we go. Okay, so I came from the other side of that, about 5-6 miles past that, on the other side of that big peak you can see, and then all the way down that ridge line. That was the power lines just a little bit ago. Took a picture of, and through the gap, and then up here. And see that fire's still burning from yesterday. Check this out as I come up here on the trail. Kind of fungus. Bright orange, it almost looks like pumpkins. Pretty crazy. Okay, got to camp. You can see over there. And I'll turn this way so you can see the sunset. So, end of day 5, wrap up. 18.9 miles for the day. And tomorrow I'll be entering Cheaha State Park, which is the highest point in Alabama. So I'll be heading in there tomorrow. And I think the restaurant, because the state park, I'm gonna check and see, but it was closed because of all this tree damage. Otherwise, I'm gonna stop in and eat at the restaurant tomorrow for lunch. So otherwise, we will talk to you tomorrow. And everybody from Alabama, have a good night.